Hi guys, in front of me SONY Ericcson Xperia, and let me show you how to lock screen. First of all, open the settings, then go to location and security and click on setup screen lock. Pick the way that you would like to block your device, so it can be pattern, pin code or the password. I would pick pattern, click on next, and now you just have to draw the unlock pattern that you want to apply, tap on continue, and now re-enter it just to confirm. So here you can also add some question which will help once you forget this pattern, and then you'll be able to get access to your device by answering this question. So let me enter this way, and that's it. So as you can see, unlock pattern has been activated, and from now you can smoothly unlock your device with it only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.